In this video, I am discussing fourth standard mathematics, addition and subtraction, chapter 10, exercise 10.2. Before going to exercise, see some basic concept, subtraction of money. Through regrouping, know how to subtract rupee and paise by writing in column. You have learned your previous class subtracting rupee and paise after writing them in column in the same way. Solve the following problem. Given one example, subtract 69 rupees 90 paise from 79 rupee 80 paise. This is 79 rupee 80 paise, 79 rupee 80 paise, 69 rupees 90 paise. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 9 is not possible. Take a 10 digit from nearby house. It becomes 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Carry 1. 9 minus 10 is not possible. Take a 10 digit. It becomes 19. 19 minus 10 becomes 9. Carry 1. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 rupees 90 paise. Do like this. Steps. Write paise in paise column. Second one, write rupee in rupee column. Third one, subtract paise from paise. This is the core concept. So given some examples, observe. By, re by regrouping, do the subtraction of money as you do in the subtraction of number with borrowing. In our daily life, while doing money transaction, we do not use a change like 3 rupees 47 paise, 5 rupees 42 paise, etc. While calculating interest amount in the bank, tax amount, electricity bill, water bill, etc. If the amount of this type occurs, it will be approximated. It will be approximated to the next rupee. As given examples. Statement based problem. Observe. To find the remaining amount, carry out subtraction. Exercise 10.2 subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 9 or 2 minus 5 is not possible. Take a 10 digit from nearby house. It becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 carry 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. 31 rupees 75 paise. This is 31 rupees 75 paise. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 43 rupees. Second main. C. Subtract 18 rupees 50 paise from 25 rupees 10 paise. Just 25 rupees 10 paise and 18 rupees 50 paise. My subtraction sign. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 5 not possible. Take 10 digit from nearby house. It becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Carry 1. 15 minus 9 is 6. Carry 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 rupees. 6 rupees 60 paise. Subtract 30 rupees 50 paise from 75 rupees 50 paise. 75 rupees 50 paise. 30 rupees 50 paise. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. These put rupee sign. 45 rupees 0 paise. Statement based problem. First one. Sonika has 50 rupees. She purchases bangles and rings for 45 rupees 50 paise. What is the amount remaining with her? Amount with Sonika 50 rupees. Amount spent on bangles and rings 45 rupees 50 paise. Just subtract 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take 10 digit. It becomes 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Carry 1. 10 minus 6, 4. Carry 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 rupees 55 paise. Remaining amount Sonika has 4 rupees 50 paise. David want to purchase shoes for 399 rupees 99 paise. In his bank, he has only 25 rupees 50 paise. How much more money is needed to buy the shoes? Shoes rate is 399 rupees 99 paise. He has only 25 rupees 50 paise. Needed amount, calculate. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 0, 3. Needed money, 374 rupees 49 paise. Third one. Lakshmisha purchased stamps and postcards for 52 rupees 50 paise. He gave a 100 rupee note to the person in the post office counter. What is the amount to be returned to Lakshmisha? He given 100 rupee note, 0 paise. Card rate is 52 rupees 50 paise. Just subtract 100 place is not there. Put 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take 10 digit from nearby house. This becomes 10 minus 5, 5. Carry 1. So, same. 10 minus 3, 7. Carry 1. 10 minus 6, 4. Carry 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 47 rupees 50 paise. Amount returned to Lakshmi Shah 47 rupees 50 paise. Fourth one, Sauma has 52 rupees 50 paise. She bought vegetable worth 23 rupees 50 paise. What is the amount left with her? Subtract 23 rupees 50 from 52 rupees 50 paise. 50 paise 23 from 50 paise minus 0 minus 0 0 5 minus 5 0 2 minus 3 is not possible. Take 10 digit from nearby house. This becomes 12. 12 minus 3 9. Carry 1. 5 minus 3 2. 29 rupees. 29 rupees 0 paise. This much for in this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe now